So I just wanted to make this quick video to explain the process of hiring a mural artist. It's not something that we do quite often, so a lot of people are doing it for the first time when they do decide to get a mural. So I'd like to take you through the steps that I go through from the initial contact to the finished mural. So if you're interested in that, I just have a quick video explanation for you. My name is Jacob, I'm in the Toronto area, and I guess I'm a muralist these days. I've been painting a lot of murals lately, I've been having a lot of fun doing it, and I'd love to do more. So if you'd like me to be a muralist for you, I would love to. And these are the steps you can take in order for us to collaborate on something. So step one, reach out. You just message me somehow, either on Instagram, here on YouTube, but email would be the best way to contact me, which is in the description. It's in my profile. You can find it pretty easily here on this channel, and just reach out, maybe give me a brief explanation of your idea, and we can do a quick back and forth to set up the next step, which is a video meeting, Zoom meeting, FaceTime, whatever. We can meet each other virtually, face to face, and discuss a little bit more about what the idea is, the time frame, the budget, the scope of work, the kind of general vision that you have, and whether or not we could be a good fit for each other. So after that, I'll take what you said, download it in my brain, try to organize it, and I'll come up with a proposal for you as to whether or not I can do this and the price that I would charge. Now, it's hard to say what the price would be, even though it would be nice to give you a number. It's so different in every case. There's some walls that are humongous and maybe the design is very complex. Obviously, that would be much more than a very small and simplified mural. It's a case-by-case thing, so we'll determine that, and we'll try to work with each other on the budget and what's possible. So if we talk about that and everything's cool, then the next step is to design the actual mural and figure out what we're gonna put on that wall. So I will try my best to take what you gave me as your idea and what I can bring to it. This is kind of the hardest part of the whole process, coming up with that actual design. So there usually is a deposit that's given, a non-refundable deposit that's to cover the design phase. And that'll cover the design itself being mocked up and even superimposed on the wall, so you can see exactly what it's gonna look like once it is painted on that surface. And hopefully we nail it on that first try, but we can allow for a couple revisions so that we get it just right, and you know exactly what would be going on that wall once it's time to get painting. So what I like to do at this point is take a 50% deposit for the installation, and that would cover things like travel if necessary, accommodation maybe, any special materials that are needed, rental equipment sometimes is required, things like scissor lifts and scaffolding or whatever. But once we work all that out, all that's left is the execution. I go and I do my best to try to make it look even better than the mock-up that we came up with. And it usually takes between, I don't know, a day to a week in my experience. It of course depends on the scope of the project. I'll do it as fast as I can, but I'll also take the time I need to do it as best I can. So that's always different. Once it's done and you're happy with it, I will send the invoice for the remaining balance, and then congratulations on your new mural. Hopefully you love it. I would love to paint a mural for you. I really enjoy doing them. They really enhance a space, and I'd love to be your guy. I hope this video helped with understanding the process of hiring a muralist a little better. Feel free to check out my other videos if you like. Peace out.